Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Who is that talking there? Joseph? What is that, Joseph? Who is that scolding mommy? Is it Eric? Okay, there are 24 participants. Shall we start a session? Yes. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all. Let me see you all. Are you all happy today? Yes, are you all happy today? Madhav, look at the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all happy today? Yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
How will you say yes? Some of you are telling, yes, ma'am. Not that way. Yes, ma'am. It should be soft, no? Huh? Ma'am is talking softly to you, no? Then you must also learn to speak softly, right? Huh? Should you shout it, ma'am?
Yes,
Should you
ma'am.
shout it, ma'am?
Let's go.
No. Yes, always learn to talk softly. Okay, that's how we talk. Okay? Yes? Okay, talking softly is always nice. Okay, shall we all have our prayer? Join your hands. Close your eyes. Say the prayer. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, bless all the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the healthcare workers. Dear Father, bless and heal the world. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, everyone. Yes. So, how are you all? You all told me you're all fine and thank you. And, okay. So, shall we start our session with that song which we learnt the other day, Watermelon Papaya? Shall we sing that? Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Chiku, 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 chiku. Fruit salad, fruit salad. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yes, that's nice. Now sing this one. Apple a day, everybody. Apple a day. An apple a day sends doctor away. Apple in the morning. Doctor's warning. Roast apple at night. Stabs the doctor right. An apple going to bed. Apple going to bed. Knock the doctor on the head. All sing with me. 3 each day, 7 days a week. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Okay? Yes. So give me a second, 1 minute. Today, Nancy ma'am, okay, ready? Nancy ma'am has come with an animal which is left out. Yes, we learned so many wild animals. There is one more animal to be learned. Who is that animal? I'll give you a clue. Nancy ma'am is wearing a dress which has dots on my body. Check the print on my body. Can you see the print on my dress? Yes, what print? Which animal's print is that? Yes, it's the cheetah's print. I've got cheetah print dress. Okay. Have you got one at home? Joseph, do you have one at home? Huh? You don't have? How many of you have cheetah dress? You don't have? Okay, Nancy ma'am has got a toy. You want to see the toy which Nancy ma'am has brought today to class? Yes. This is cheetah. What is this animal, children? What is this animal? Cheetah. Yes. What do you know about cheetah? Cheetah is a carnivorous animal. What animal is he? Carnivorous animal. Okay, he loves eating meat, deer, other animals. Okay, he loves to eat the meat of other animals. Okay, yes. Yes, he is the fastest animal. Somebody is telling me. I couldn't identify who is that. It was all up unmuted. Okay, this is the fastest running animal. Okay, children, cheetah is the fastest running animal. Then what do you know about cheetah? Cheetah's baby is called cub. What's the baby of cheetah called? Baby cheetah is called cub. Somebody is selling cub. It is not bull. Okay, don't say cup. Don't say cub. It is not cub. It is cub. Make it soft. Cub. Cub. Okay. Cheetah baby is called cub. Okay. So let's speak about cheetah. Cheetah belongs to the cat family. He also looks like a tiger, don't he? See, he's a big cat. He has got a tail. He's got 4 legs. And you know, he can run very, very fast. Very, very fast and catch any other animal running in front of him. Okay. So cheetah is a carnivorous animal. He is the fastest running animal. He has got, you can identify him by the spots on the body, like the print on my dress. Okay, he has got the spots on his body, and his baby is called the cub. Okay, the baby is called the cub. Fine. Shall we repeat about cheetah what we are learning today? Yes, are you ready? Will you repeat after Nancy ma'am? Here we go. When Nancy ma'am is telling, you will also repeat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Say that. Cheetah is a carnivore. Cheetah is a carnivore. I can read your lips. Parents, please help me by looking if your children are speaking it, telling it after me. I want them to repeat. I can catch them by looking at the screen whether they are not talking or not. Himesh, you have to speak. Rishikesh, Devharan, Rayan, Ashar, Juvania, Dev Vinod Kumar, Banu Lakshna, Aimi, Devna, Basil, Emmanuel, Kevin, Alan Keen, Alfie Keen, Karthik Krishna, Rayan, Dean, Sharang, Jake Sebi, Milena, Joseph, Eldano, everyone, okay? All my children whom I see here, okay? I want you to, somebody is switching off the video every time. Is it Basil Kyriakos? Please turn on your video. Joe work, everybody has to say, okay? Repeat after ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Say that. Cheetah is a carnivore. Say, cheetah is a carnivore. Repeat. Yes, very good, Bhanu Lakshna. I can see you telling. Madhav Krishna, very good. Alan Keen, Alfie Keen, say, cheetah is a carnivore. Cheetah is a carnivore. Emmanuel Shindo, he is the fastest running animal. Milena and Inaya, say, Devnanish, he is the fastest land animal. He is the fastest running animal. Okay, land animal. Young one is called cub. Say, Ashir, young one is called cub. Alan Keen, look here. Alfie Keen, look here. Young one is called cub. Shall we say one more time? Here we go. Aibel Sony, please turn on your video. Ready? One more time. Cheetah is a carnivore. Repeat. Cheetah is a carnivore. Good, Seraphin. The fastest land animal. Say, Emmanuel, good. Fastest land animal. Seraphin, repeat. Young one is called cub. Aimi, say, young one is called cub. Good. Deva Vinod Kumar, speak. Now, can we recall what tiger and lion, since they are also carnivorous? Okay, repeat after me. Tiger is a carnivore. Say, tiger. Tiger, the one which has got stripes on the body. Tiger is a carnivore. It growls. It growls. Live in a cave. Where does he live? In a cave. Young one is called cub. I'm going to give star to all the children who is repeating after me. And those who are not keeping your mouths quiet, no star for you. Alan Keen, Alfie Keen, no star. I'm going to check all the children who is not going to speak. Hrishikesh, sit properly. John Paul, sit properly. Yes, I'm going to catch you all. Joseph, good boy. Eldana, good girl. Banu Lakshna, good. Okay, let's repeat. Tiger is a carnivore. Repeat. Very good. It growls. Live in a cave. Young one is called cub. Young one is called cub. Good. Second one. We are speaking about lion now. Lion is a carnivore. Say, lion is a carnivore. Very good. When you come to school, I'm going to give a star for everyone those are telling. It roars. Joseph Johns, tell. It roars. What's the sound of lion? It roars. Yes. Lives in a den. Giovannia, Sharon, Kevin. Lives in a den. Young one is called cub. Say, young one is called cub. Okay. So what are the three carnivorous animal, children? Lion, tiger, and cheetah. Okay. They're all carnivorous animal which eat meat of other animals. All their babies are called cub. Okay. All their babies are called cub. And where do they live? Den or cave. Yes. And tiger is the national animal of India. Say, tiger is the national animal of India. So what about lion? Lion is the king of the forest. Lion is the king of the forest. So what is speciality about cheetah, the one who has got dots on the body? The fastest running land animal. What is it? Is the fastest running land animal. Okay. So today you will be learning about these three animals. Got it? Yes or no? Okay. Now, today Nancy ma'am has come with the letter of the day. What is the letter of the day? Okay, I have come with the letter. What is this letter? Yes, today I've come with the letter G. Okay, this is capital G, this is small g, and this is the cursive G. Okay, in the textbooks, in the newspapers, in the storybooks, you will find this G. Okay, the capital G and the small g. They are called the print letters. Okay, now today we will be practicing the cursive G. Got it? We are going to first learn cursive G. So all these three forms of writing is called the G. Okay, so G for, let's see how to, what are the pictures related to G. Okay, in page number 60, you have a textbook. Page number 60, you have G for gum. What is gum, children? Which we used to stick in our book. Yes, if you want to stick a picture, we use gum, right? That's called gum. G. G says G. G, gum. Then what do you have? Grapes. G for grapes. Then what do you have? G for goat. What do you have? G for goat. Then what do you have? G for gun. What is it? Gun. Okay. Gum, grapes, goat, gun. Shall we repeat? Gum, grapes, goat, gun. Shall we say one more time? Gum, grapes, goat, gun. Now shall we write letter G? How to write letter G? Now listen carefully. All these days, we were writing in the baby lines. First we were writing the baby line. Then Papa was sad. Yes, so we touched the Papa line. Yes, we wrote the letters with touching the Papa line. What is that? L, T. Yes, remember we wrote all those letters touching the Papa line. H, K and all that. Now, Mama line is so sad. Mama line is crying. Nobody is coming to me. Mama is crying. So what we will do today? We will touch the Mama line and write. Are you ready? Yes. We will make Mama stop crying. Okay, now everybody look at the screen. Nancy ma'am will show how to write letter G. Here we go. First, everybody will watch how ma'am is writing. Okay, we are going to write now letter G. Let's watch. See here. You have to start from this blue line. Okay, from the blue line, make a slant. Go make a C curve and close it to make it A. Come down. Touch the mama line. Yes, I have come down. Touch the mama line. Go in between this gap up till here. Don't touch the blue line. Okay, see one more time ma'am is writing. You have to write letter A. See, write letter A. Come down. Touch the mama line. Mama is happy now. Mama is happy now. Touch the mama line. Go up and stop. Don't touch the blue line. Don't do it. That's wrong. Okay. How do we write G? See. Make a slant. Make the C curve. Close it. Come down. Touch the mama line and go and stop. That's letter G. Okay. This is capital G. And this is the small g. Okay, now we are writing the cursive G, letter G. G for goat, G for gum, G for gun, G for grapes. Okay, this is letter G. What is this letter? This is letter G. Okay. Let's write letter G. How do we write? Make a slant, make a C curve, go touch it, come down, touch the mama line, go up and stop. Okay, finished? I would like to see the books which you are writing. All my children, those who finished? Yes, Banu Lakshna, your G is very nice. Krishikesh, good. Abel, good. Basil, can you bring it closer? Your G, yes, it has to go little more up. That slant, no, the down line, which is touching the mama line, take it little more up. Giovannia, Basil Kuriakos, you have to take it little more up. And make your brother write in the 4-line Basil sister. Giovannia, show me. Closer. I cannot see. Joseph John's good. Eldana good. Devna good. Seraphim, that slant is, it's extended. You need not draw such a big slant. Make a small slant. Okay, Seraphim's mummy, please correct him. Madhav Krishna.
Okay, okay.
Yes, okay. Inaya, good. Devna, can I see? Madhav Krishna. Aimi, very good. Nice in the slate. Yes, Devna, good. Madhav Krishna, good. Rayan, good. John Paul, have you written the capital G? Can I see the small g? Cursive G. Milena, can you bring it closer? Milena's mummy. Little more closer, I'm not able to see. Dev Haran, good. Giovannia, good. Yes, Milena's mummy. Is that a 4-line book? Why don't you make her write inside that 4 lines and show me once? Seraphim, good. Ashar, good. Ashar, beautiful G. Very beautiful small G. Did you write? Oh, very nice. Star for you, star. Okay, Ashar. Alan Keen, show me. Ashar, can I see you writing one more time, G? Ashar's mummy, give it to him. Ashar, write. I'm seeing. Nancy mom is watching you. Yes. Emmanuel Shindo, very nice. Emmanuel, what is that? A or yes? What did you write down? G is good. What is that down? Reza, good. Emmanuel, write one more G and show me. Ashar is writing. I'm waiting to see Ashar's. Sharon Sharat, show me. Turn on your video. John Paul, good. Yes, Ashar, excellent. Lovely star for you. Star, take it. Star for you, star. Take it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Deva Vinath Kumar, is your G? What is happening, Deva? It is ulta again. Deva's mummy, I don't know what is wrong with the camera. I'm seeing everything the other way around. Is it correct, G? Speak. Deva's mummy, speak. Is it proper? Others G is, I'm seeing it normal. Your G is like tilted. I don't know if it is mistake with the camera or something. Or I'm seeing it. Others, show me. Alan Keen. Dean, very nice. Madhav Krishna, beautiful G. Excellent G. Dean, yes. When you all come to school now, I am waiting to give you all star in the book. Okay? Yes. Okay, children. Very nice. Thank you for showing me the G. Emmanuel Shindo. Emmanuel Shindo, can we write one more time? Please, parents, bear with me. Emmanuel's G is not right. Somewhere it has gone down. Yes, Emmanuel, I'm writing for you. Please join me. Emmanuel, write with Nancy, ma'am. See, make a small C. Okay, touch it. Touch the mama line. Go up and stop here. Yes, Kevin. What is that grid in your screen? I can see the color lines there. Kevin's mummy. Is it a mistake with the camera or what is happening there? I can see strides.
Camera is complaint.
Okay, because I'm seeing all the colorful lines. I can see like a curtain and back you're sitting.
I take the video and send it to your WhatsApp.
Yeah, thank you. Please do it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, right, G. Okay. Yes. Yes, Emmanuel. Now I would like to see your G. Reza Muhammad, please show me. Parents, just give me, excuse me. I would like to see Emmanuel. Emmanuel, show me your G. Where is Emmanuel? Now it's correct. Yes, thank you. Reza, where is Reza? I saw Reza also practicing. Where is Reza? Are you Reza? Wait, let me check in the other screen. You people are disappearing. Yes, Emmanuel is good. Devnanish, yes, I saw yours. Seraphin's mummy, can you show? Reza finished writing. Right, man, write fast. You are not a baby. You are Chetan now. Yes, Seraphin.
Ma'am, Emmanuel.
I saw. Emmanuel is done. Seraphin, good. Good, Seraphin. Seraphin, your slant, no, Kana? When you write in the 4 line, it is small, but otherwise it is very long. Don't make it so long. Don't do it. Okay, make it little small. Seraphin, make it small slant. Yes. Okay, thank you. So again, I'm sharing my screen. All my children are going to write with Nancy. Don't write. Sorry, don't write. I want you to identify what ma'am is writing. Okay? Tell what ma'am is writing.
Ma'am,
what happened? The colors are coming. Everybody watch. Mummies are having tough time. Everybody, yes. Tell me what is this letter? What is this letter? A. Good. What is this letter? Letter? What is this letter? Letter E. Yes. Now tell me, what is this letter? I. Very good. What is this letter? U. What is this letter? V. V. Yes. Now see, what is this letter? A. What is this letter? B. What is this letter? C. This one? D. What is this one? E. Very good. F I will show you later. Today what did we learn? Letter G. Okay? See, letter G. Yes? Then, what is this? Letter H. This one, I. This one, very good, Hrishikesh, K. What is this? L. This one, M. This one, N. This one, O. This one, R. This one, yes. This one, T. Then what did we learn? That's all. X. Did we learn X? Yes. So, did you all identify? Can read your lips, okay? Now, children, now all my children, I have got an activity for you this week. Okay, that's all today. So you will be learning about cheetah and the letter G. Okay, I've got a homework for you. What is that? Can you see the drawing book? The other day we were drawing apples and you remember we were doing the activity here, drawing and coloring. Yes. So this week we are having an activity. What is that? I will tell you. Nancy ma'am has got two carnivorous animals which is eating flesh, lion and tiger. I got a picture, I put it here. Then I found two omnivorous animals which eats both meat and the plants. So fox and bear picture I put it. Then I've got herbivorous animal, that is like elephant and giraffe. So you take those pictures, only two of these animals, and stick it like this. Okay, parents, if you are buying last year magic pot, you will find it very easy to find in the first page of it. You will find the stickers like this. You can ask it, if it is a sticker, you can ask your children to stick it. Otherwise, you can give cut it and give it to them. Let them identify and stick it like this. Okay, give it to them, let them stick. Okay, in old textbooks you will find, or in the old magazines you will find these animals. Okay, you can ask them to stick. Use only one page for doing it. Only two animals I will be needing, two carnivorous, two omnivorous, and two herbivorous. If you have this book, everyone take it. I want like to see the fruits which you draw the other day. I didn't check that. Please take your book, this book which you all had the other day, drawing book. Rayan, Sandeep, take everyone. Show me the work which you have done, the coloring book. I did not see. Dane is not showing me. I want to see your fruits, the one you colored. Take it and show me. Yes, the names which I'm calling, put it down. Inaya, very excellent, beautiful drawing. Jake Sebi, good. Kevin, show me. Banu Lakshna, good. Juvania, Alan Kane, show me. Alfie Kane, show me. Rishikesh, good. Dev Haran, good. Rayan Sandeep, good. Juvania, Joseph Johns, good. Reza, good. Eldana, Kartika Krishna, Sirafan, Madhav, good. Asher, Juvania Biju, John Paul, good. Basil Kuriakos. Eric Saji Emome, Chaydi Lemon. Rayan, show me. Yes. Okay, Eric, good. Okay. Jova Cantony, good. Very nice. Amy, show me Kanna. Jovak, you're a good boy. Okay, very nice. Jovak? Yes.
Ma'am, Basil.
Basil, good. Diane is good. Okay, the ones whom I did not call, please show me. Jacob, good. Jake Sebi, good. Sharang Sharad, good. Okay, let me change the screen. Is there anybody left? Yes, Abel Soni, good. Aimi, good. Karthik Krishna, good. Devharan, can you show? Yes, good. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Okay, so today you will be all writing letter G and you will be learning about the 3 carnivorous animal. Yes, say repeat all that and do it. Okay, children, and don't forget to recall all the numbers. Okay, start counting from 1 to 30. Shall we do it one time and stop? Everybody say numbers 1 to 30 and then we'll wind up the session. Others are waiting. There are 15 people join the waiting room. Let's do it fast. Okay, fast. 1, 2, 3. Count with ma'am. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? Yes, very nice. So thank you, children. See you all in the next session. Practice writing G. Okay? And find the pictures of these 2 animals and stick it. Okay? Bye. See you all. Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.